Hi. Let's do a second episode of the Sarah Chronicles.
Hey, I'm Sarah, and you are?
Insert name here.
Hey,
Insert name here.
We are now listening to Not Good Enough by the Escape the Fate. My favorite song by them. Yeah.
Daniel, do you have any? Oh, that was mean. He totally just jabbed the camera.
Are you okay? Mr. Camera. You know that I'll always love you.